Santa? What are you doing here? All my elves are sick, and I have no one to help me deliver the presents with. Wish I had some help. How about I help you? Great idea! Wow, imagine me being one of Santa's helpers. Ah! Stop the sleigh! Stop the sleigh! Oh. Big Bird, coming Santa. This is my workshop where all the toys get made and delivered. Pretty. Now what's the first thing to do about being a helper? Make the toys? Exactly. Would you like to make one? Sure. Good. No. No, that doesn't look right. No. No. What even is this? Big Bird? What's wrong? I forgot I don't know how to make toys. I'm only 6.5. Oh. How about I help you make them? Thank you. Alright, we got them all delivered. Now what do you do? Ride in the sleigh? Exactly. Well, we got all the toys delivered. Thanks, Big Bird, for your help. You're welcome. I need a rest.